Boy, we in a fight now, right now. Devil gunning for my life now. Cannon on me, I blam it on him, pipe down. When I was down, you was bad, don't hide now. You swung first now.
Yeah.
Let me shut this. This is my sister's car.
Okay. Oh, it's still on? Okay.
So we're just running it right now just because, you know, it's sitting for a while, right?
Yep. Only 2 bolts. They look like 14s maybe.
14?
That's what it looked like to me.
Okay.
So I'm gonna take this big old exhaust off. First things first. Gonna back it up on here real quick. Clean it off as much as I can, but honestly, this is the only part that's gonna be showing. So that was a priority. All right. Oh dang, I thought I went too far. Nah, it's good, right? Not too bad.
Yeah, it looks way farther.
I know, man. All right, here we go. 2 bolts, that's it. And then we gotta take these off. Real simple. I broke it off so easy, man. It should come right out. There you go. See how quick that came out, man.
That bitch hot.
It is hot, I know, bro. I know. I was kind of smashing it up here. Oh yeah.
So it's just on the hangers now.
So this actually
Welded on.
is welded on. It's not even a nut like we thought it was originally. Woo, these things are hot.
So to get it off these hangers easy.
So looks like it's got a little ridge right at the top here. Maybe a flathead.
Flathead?
Yeah, maybe a flathead to try to take these off.
Well, you do that.
I just got this side off.
Really?
Yep.
You got some man hands.
You know, gotta lay down the law whenever she act up. You know, man. I gotta give her the Cassie treatment. You know what I'm saying? Woo! These are a punk to get off.
You have 4, man. Mine only have 2.
Yeah. Look how big this thing is.
This is fucking heavy too. Kinda compared to
It's almost.
the new one you got.
It's from my foot to my damn thigh. This thing is so dang big.
Oh my god. Dude. Little baby red. Yeah, go ahead. Dude, that sounds crazy, right?
Our house quit. Look at all that space too.
Damn, dude.
2 bolts and a bunch of lube.
I like this one.
I like the sport. That's what I'm saying. It looks good. I like it a lot.
Oh, yeah.